Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the type 1 conditionals. Let's get started. Remember that conditionals are sentences with two clauses, a main clause and an if clause. Now, conditionals state that the action in the main clause can only take place if a certain condition in the if clause is fulfilled. Have a look at the example over here. If we don't hurry, we'll be late. Now this is a conditional sentence and is used to state that the action in the main clause, being late, will take place if we don't hurry. Now there are 5 types of conditionals in English, and among them are conditionals type 1 or first conditionals. Now, conditionals type 1 or first conditionals are used to describe future events that will happen or are likely to happen. Now, these sentences are based on facts. Thus, we make statements about the real world or particular situation. Have a look at the example below. If you don't study, you will fail the exam. Now, sometimes you can pass an exam without studying, but this time it won't work. Use the present simple tense in the if clause and the future simple tense in the main clause. Note that the order of the main and if clause is not fixed, although when the if clause precedes the main one, make sure to use a comma. Have a look at the table below. The if clause of conditional type 1 or the first conditional includes if plus present simple, and the main clause, future simple. Have a look at the examples below. If the weather is great, we'll go to the park. If you don't stop fighting with each other, you two will be grounded. Likely to happen in the future. Note that it is possible to use other present tenses. For example, present continuous, present perfect in the if clause. Have a look at the example below. If you're going, I'll go too. Now this is if plus present continuous, future simple. And in this sentence, if they've already received your information, they will let you know. If plus present perfect, future simple. Note that first conditionals can be used to give instructions in some particular situation. Have a look at the example over here. If you carry all these bottles at once, you'll drop them. It's too dangerous.